Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the product media layouts inside of e-commerce stores for the particular product pages. This feature will help your consumers to have a better shopping experience online. It will help customers browse product images much easier with these layouts and navigation options. This feature automatically will help you also to optimize for mobile view. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first you want to make sure that you have enough pictures uploaded to your product in order to use the carousel layout, for example. To add pictures, click on payments on the left, products at the top, select your product in question, scroll down, and right here under product media, you can see the different images that belong to this particular product. If you need to add more, click the upload button and go from here. Once done, let's head over to sites on the left, stores at the top, select your online store in question and click on the product details page right here. From here, you just click on the product, and on the right hand side you see the product detail menu showing up. If you scroll further down, you can see the media layout. Here we have the carousel layout, the stack gallery layout, and the two columns layout. Please note that the two columns layout does not work on mobile, and the system will automatically display the carousel layout instead. Also, please note that the featured product element will only support carousel and gallery. It does not support two columns. So let me show you how that looks like. So let's select the carousel and let's preview. Here's our test product, and here we have the slider. So this is basically called a carousel. Let's switch to two columns, for example. Let's preview, and here you have the two columns displayed. Again, please note that this two columns element is not available on mobile and it's only available on desktop. Please note that existing e-commerce stores do not automatically switch to these layouts. If you would like to change the layout, you would need to go in and do that manually. So if you have an existing store, it will keep using the gallery layout by default. Please also note that the gallery and the carousel layout both support the arrow navigation layout. Also, you don't need to update each product individually. The layout is configured in the product detail page that I just showed you. And that's it already. This is how you can display your e-commerce store products much more effectively to increase conversion. I hope you like this feature, and be sure to check out all of our free resources linked in the description below, such as free white label videos for your agency, and you get them forever for free, including the updates if you are on the $497 plan under my affiliate link. Check it out in the description below, and I will see you over there.